class, we end the class talking about the general problem solving strategies. So I asked you to try to solve this small problem about the quantity of ibuprofen that the nurse should give to an infant. So here you need to use some strategies like sort, strategize, solve, and check. So since I saw some students getting a volumes that are, oh my god, 81 milliliters that I could kill infants, I decided that I should explain step by step over here before we talk about the unit factors and change the units, convert units in different units. So before that, let's try to solve this problem before you see that. So first here, the question is, an ibuprofen suspensions for infants contains 100 milligrams for 5 milliliter suspensions. The recommended dose is 10 milligrams per kilogram body weight. How many milliliters of this suspension should be given to infant weighing 18 pounds? So here, what I have, it's pounds, but I need kilograms. So I have the conversion over here. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to calculate that. So number one. So that is the first thing. So convert pounds to kilograms, right? So to convert, I know that the infant has 18 pounds, and I know that 1 pound is 0.4536 kilograms. So now I can cut off pounds over here, and I'm gonna multiply this by this, and I'm gonna have 8.1648 kilograms. It's a baby, very small baby. Now small, but it's small baby, months, right? So let's go to the second step. I know the weight of the infant, and I know that the dose that recommended is 10 milligrams. So let's calculate the required. I'm sorry about my voice, but today in the lab class I was talking too much with the students, and now I have no voice. It's such a great week. All my students are great, so that's so wonderful week. So calculate the required dose in milligrams. So milligrams. So what I have, they say that 10 milligrams per kilogram body weight, right? So I have 8.1648 kilograms body weight. So I'm gonna multiply by this, and I'm gonna have the milligrams of the body. How much milligrams I need? I need 1.68, right? Oh, I did wrong over here. Sorry, I put it 8 over here. 1648. So it'll be 640. Let me erase that so it will not make confusing your head over there. 1648. This is the value over here. Look. So I have this 81648 milligrams. This is the quantity I need. So I needed 81 milligrams. Let me try to close up. So the medication, say, we're gonna use the concentration. The concentration of the medication, right? The ibuprofen is 100 milligrams and 5 milliliters, right? What I need is 81.648 milligrams. So what I'm gonna do is I need 81.648 milligrams. This is what I needed, right? And I know that 5 milliliters contains 100 milligrams. So I can cut the units over here, and I'm gonna multiply this by this and divide by 100. I'm gonna use my calculator, sorry. If you have a calculator, that is not hard math, but I just want to give you the right number. So times 50 divided by 100, right? 50, no, 5, sorry. So 81.648 times 5 divided by 100 will give me 4.0824 milliliters. So in multiplication, division, what you're going to do is use the smallest number of significant figures, which is this. Two significant figures, and I have 4 point, so must be over here, right? So if this is bigger than 5, I'll increase 1 over here, so 5.1 milliliters. This is what you needed. Okay, that's it. That's all. Bye for now.